What is up, you guys? In this video I'm going to be doing a little bit of drift prep just for this weekend's event at Piedmont Dragway, and doing so I'm going to be upgrading my tension rods before I go get my alignment. So let's do this. So my tension rods of choice, as you already may know, since I go with ISR almost everything, is the ISR Pro model tension rods. Probably unwrap one of them. Alright, there it is. So yeah, that's what the tension rod looks like. I know they have like a, not a Pro model, but just like a regular model tension rod that they sell for the S13 and S14, but it's just straight. The only difference I see with the Pro model is they have like a little bushing right here for the grease and stuff, like, so it's like more durable and lasts longer. And also it has like this curve, which if you add angle to your car, then sort of stops the wheel. Well, it doesn't stop the wheel, but the wheel has more clearance and it doesn't hit your tension rod. Because I know some guys that have a shit ton of angle, they end up running and hitting the freaking tension rods that they have on the car if they don't have like a bend, or if it's not modified in a certain way. But yeah, so I don't have a lot of angle on my car, but I would like to add it in the future, so I'm just planning ahead. So yeah, so I might as well just get these. They're pretty beefy. I didn't think they were going to be this beefy. Actually getting it in person and stuff, which isn't a bad thing, but I know with like suspension arms and stuff, you want it to be like the weakest link. I mean, you don't want it to break like easily, but you want it to be the weakest link. You want it to break before your like subframe and stuff like that, so that instead of replacing the subframe, which is more than a suspension arm, you'll actually just replace the suspension arm. So that's why you'd want it to be the weakest link. But yeah, the build quality on these are like really good. I like it so far. So hopefully it's easy to install and easy to adjust and everything like that. It looks like it would be. So yeah, I'm about to start getting the S13 ready to install these. Okay, so what I'm going to be replacing is this right here, you guys, if you guys don't already know. This rod right here. So, I guess it sort of is a good thing, because I know the guys at Piedmont have been saying I should be changing my tension rods. Get some new ones, or at least some new bushings, because I mean, look at this shit. You guys can see that. That bushing is like done. It's like all dry rotted out and shit. So yeah, I guess it is good that I'm changing these out. So basically all I gotta do is just do these two bolts. It's like bolted up underneath, I think, right there, and then that bolt and nut right there, and then it comes out. The hardest part's probably just gonna be fitting the new bushing up in here, or prying this bushing out between these I forgot what this is called, but yeah, just gotta pry that out, and then it should just go right in. So yeah, I'm about to get to it. Before I start doing all that, you can see on my sway bar where like your wheel might hit if you add angle. I broke the tie rod on this side, and my wheel ended up snapping in and going like inwards, so that's why I got hit right here. But I mean, that's like perfect example of like when you add angle, you're going to be hitting your sway bar, I guess, so that's probably not going to be a good thing if I ever add angle. But at least my tension rod is going to be bent backwards like that, so it'll give me some extra clearance. So yeah. Alright guys, so here's the old tension rods. As you see, this one's pretty blown out, and then this one's also pretty blown out, so it's a good thing I'm changing these out. It's about time. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but had to just bite the bullet and buy the parts. Alright guys, so I got my new tension rods right here, and they supplied some bolts, some Allen head or hex head, whatever you want to call it, bolts. And these go right here. I'm not sure if I have something that size right now, so I might just reuse what I had on the 240 already, like the stock ones, and just keep these on me. I don't think those would ever break, the stock ones on the 240, but yeah, I'll just keep these on me whenever, like if they do break somehow, like shear off or whatever, then I'll have these on me and I'll be able to just swap those out. I'll just have to find like a nut, because I'm pretty sure if one breaks then I'm just going to lose the whole nut wherever I'm driving at or whatnot. So yeah, I'm just going to keep these back up. Well, you guys, I spoke too soon. I see why they supplied them, because these old ones are part of the actual tension rod, so I'm sort of screwed now. This sucks. Guess I need to find an Allen head or whatnot to fit those so I can actually use them. So yeah, let me go try and find something. Alright you guys, so I ran up to O'Reilly's and I just picked up a whole freaking kit. So hopefully we'll never run into this problem again. But yeah, awesome. So now that I got this nifty little Allen 10mm Allen head thing, key, whatever you want to call it, I can start putting them back together. So hell yeah. So I hope you guys didn't just see this, but I just put my freaking tension rod on backwards. So if I ever did add angle, I'd definitely hit this sucker. I'd probably hit the sucker right now at stock angle. Alright you guys, so I got the new ones in, as you see, on both sides. I didn't really match the length on those while they were off. I just put them in here and just got them to where they were fitting up right, just because I didn't want these to be unequal. Like this is a one thread and then this is a thread up here for this joint, and I just didn't want them to be unequal, because I actually had an issue with my tie rod when I put them on over here, to where they were really, like one was threaded in a lot and then the other one was threaded in just slightly. Like for instance, this side was threaded into this union joint right here. It was threaded in there like a little bit, and this side was threaded in a lot. And had a drift vent. I don't know if you guys remember that video, but the side that was threaded in a little bit ended up popping out and just stripping some threads. But I didn't want to have that issue over here, so I just put it in there with these both equal, like smashed together, and then just threaded them equally, just so I could have it in there. But I'm gonna go get alignment tomorrow and it'll get all set up right. So yeah, they're both in. As you guys can see, I'm about to just throw the wheels on and then call it a day. Sort of teleported over here to Firestone to get my alignment just now. But yeah, I'm sitting outside because I'm waiting for the dude to come and get my car. And the last guy who did it, he stalled out. A lot of people have stalled out every time I get my car aligned, even friends. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get it on camera again. I think I got it on camera one time with some dude having trouble, but he didn't stall out. He managed to get it all the way into the bay. But yeah, I'm gonna sit out here and just sort of wait on him and see if I can catch something good on film. Something funny. We got our first victim. Alright you guys, so car just got aligned. It's A-okay. I'm heading to class, but I guess this is it for this video, and I'll probably be filming at Piedmont, but yeah. So yeah, this Sunday, April 14th, Piedmont Drift. Hope you guys come out. Later, you guys.